What if you could generate 100 AI videos in a single click, completely free, no hidden fees? It's called AutoGrok, and today I'm going to show you exactly how it works. To get started, search Grok Automation on Google, click the top result, and add the extension to Chrome. Pin it to your toolbar so it's always ready. AutoGrok is a free Chrome extension that automates Grok AI for bulk video and image creation. Instead of typing prompts one by one and waiting for each video to finish, this tool handles everything automatically, sending prompts, generating content, and even downloading your files. It turns Grok into a full content engine. Once installed, open AutoGrok alongside Grok AI. They work side by side. You'll see 4 creation modes: text to video, image to video, image to image, and text to image. For this demo, we're starting with text to video. 3 settings matter here. First, concurrent prompts. Leave this as default. Second, prompt delay. This is the gap between each prompt during batch generation. Set it to at least 10 to 15 seconds. Too fast and you'll get errors. Third, your prompt list. Paste all your prompts here at once. I generate mine with ChatGPT and save them as a TXT file. Before hitting start, go to settings. Choose your aspect ratio. 16:9 for YouTube, vertical for shorts. Set output to 1 video per prompt, pick your duration, 6 to 10 seconds, and enable auto download at 720p. Now hit run. Everything from here is fully automated. The tool sends each prompt to Grok, waits, generates the video, and saves it to your device. You just sit back and watch. The videos come out in full HD with audio included. No extra steps needed. Compare that to the normal workflow. Type a prompt, wait, download, repeat. AutoGrok eliminates all of that. Now let's take it further. For image-based content, like Ghibli-style animation or motivational stories, use the text-to-image mode. Generate your story prompts in ChatGPT, ask it to maintain character consistency, export them as a TXT file, paste them into AutoGrok, and hit generate. While that runs, head to Google AI Studio and use Gemini's free text-to-speech tool to create your voiceover. Add your script, pick a voice, include style instructions from ChatGPT for the right tone, and generate. Once both are ready, bring everything into CapCut. Drop the voiceover on the timeline, add your scenes at around 3 seconds each, apply a smooth fade transition, and finish with auto captions. Your video is done.
2 men visit a Zen master. The first man says, "I'm thinking of moving to this town. What's it like?" The Zen master asks, "What was your old town like?"
AutoGrok has 2 more powerful features. Frame to video lets you turn still images into animated clips, perfect for satisfying niche content like epoxy art or ASMR-style videos. Just generate images in Grok, drag them into AutoGrok, add your prompts, and run. Image to image solves the consistency problem. If characters look different across scenes, create a reference image for each character in Grok, drag those into AutoGrok, and enable Auto Add Character Images. The tool will use your exact reference throughout the whole batch. Every tool I use today is completely free. AutoGrok, Grok AI, ChatGPT for prompts, Gemini for voiceovers, and CapCut for editing. With 3 or 4 email accounts, you can run Grok without hitting any limits at all. This workflow lets you create a full month of content in a single day. The opportunity is right here. It's just about taking action. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. Like and follow so you don't miss the next automation breakdown. Good luck.